Look, this obsession with automation in recruiting, it's killing the one thing that actually matters, people. You feel it every damn day. The candidates turning into numbers, the resumes shuffled by algorithms, the subtle, relentless grinding out of human judgment and gut feeling. It's frustrating as hell. You're not just losing quality hires, you're losing trust, connection, and the damn soul of your company before you even start building it. You see the red flags, cold replies, robotic interviews, a process flattened into checkboxes, and you know something's off. You didn't get into this game to run a factory, yet that's exactly what recruiting feels like now. Automated noise drowning out the human spark. Stop kidding yourself that automation alone will solve your recruiting headaches. It won't. It can't. Because recruiting isn't about efficiency metrics or ticking boxes. It's about understanding people, their quirks, their drive, their hidden fire. When machines get in the driver's seat, they miss the messy, unpredictable, but critical stuff that defines great hires. You're left with candidates filtered by how well they fit a spreadsheet, not by how well they'll change your world. So here's the raw truth. If you let automation take over without a fight, you'll drown in a sea of boring, predictable, uninspired hires. Your culture dies a slow death. Your growth stalls. And worst of all, your people feel like cogs, not creators. That's a nightmare nobody wants, but it's happening all around. What needs to happen? It's brutal but simple. First, reclaim human judgment as the center of your recruiting. Use automation for mechanics only. The paperwork, scheduling, basic screening. But the real decisions? They belong to people who can read between the lines, who understand context, emotion, and potential beyond what's written. Second, build a killer feedback loop between your recruiters and your teams. Don't let hiring be a black box hiding behind automated filters. Get everyone involved in talking, debating, arguing about who's the right fit and why. That tension? That's the sign you're doing it right. Humans building humans, raw and unfiltered. Third, invest time in candidate conversations that matter. No, not pointless chit-chat or fake cultural fit questions. Real talks about motivations, fears, aspirations, how they think, how they fail. Let your process be a human-to-human connection, even if it takes extra time, because that's the secret sauce automation can't touch. And finally, stop chasing every shiny tool that promises magic. The future isn't fully automated recruiting. It's thoughtful tech that frees your team to focus on the hard, human work. Your job is to own that boundary. Use technology like a tool, not a replacement. Look, it's painful, but it's your choice. Accept the easy path of cold robotic recruiting, or fight for the messy, hard, emotional, and ultimately way more rewarding way where humans lead the charge. If you want your company to feel alive, real, and unstoppable, push back. Make recruiting human again. Because the moment you stop seeing candidates as mere data points is the moment you start building something that actually lasts. Don't let automation kill what makes your team, your people. Take it back. Now, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.